Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Start by opening your preferred web browser. Navigate to the Google Docs website by entering docs.google.com in the address bar. Sign in to your Google account if you aren't already signed in. Once on the Google Docs homepage, locate the button labeled blank to create a new document. Click on blank to open a new document. Begin by titling your document EV Battery Warranty Checklist at the top of the page. Below the title, create a brief introduction explaining the importance of backing up your EV battery warranty. List the essential components of your warranty checklist, such as purchase date, warranty duration, and battery specifications. Under each component, provide space for relevant details. For example, create a section for purchase date with a line for entry. Do the same for warranty duration and battery specifications. To ensure clarity, consider using a table format for your checklist. Click on Insert in the top menu, then select Table. Choose a 3x5 table for your checklist. Label the first column Warranty Components, the second Details, and the third Notes. Fill in the first column with components like purchase date, warranty start date, warranty end date, and contact information. In the Details column, leave space for entries corresponding to each component. In the Notes column, add a section for any additional remarks or observations. Once your checklist layout is complete, review it for completeness and clarity. Consider adding section headers if your checklist is lengthy. To enhance readability, use bold text for headers and important items. When you're satisfied with your checklist, click on File in the top menu. Select Download to choose your preferred file format, such as PDF or Word. Keep a local copy of your checklist after downloading. To ensure your checklist is backed up, go back to Google Docs. Click on the Share button in the upper right corner. In the sharing settings, add an email address of someone you trust as a backup recipient. Select their permission level, whether they can edit or view. Click Send to share the document securely. Lastly, set a reminder in your calendar to review your checklist periodically. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.